Mechanics do not want you to watch this video. Here is how to save over $1,000 every year. Today, I am revealing 10 car maintenance tricks professionals will never share. No experience is required. Let us begin. Secret number 1. Underinflated tires drain your fuel. A $2 gauge can improve mileage by 10%. Check monthly. Here is how. Secret number 2. That annoying squeak. Rub a bar of soap on your brake pads. The noise will disappear in 30 seconds. Secret number 3. Do not replace foggy headlights. Polish them with toothpaste. This hack costs $2 versus $150 for shop replacements. Secret number 4. Corrosion on your battery terminals can be a hassle. Mix baking soda with water and scrub away the corrosion. This simple 5-minute fix ensures your car starts perfectly every time. Secret number 5. Are sticky dashboard buttons driving you crazy? Dab a little olive oil on a cotton swab and apply it. It works better than expensive cleaners and saves you money in the long run. Secret number 6. Bug splatter on your windshield ruining your view. Rub a draw sheet on your windshield to instantly wipe them away. It's a must-have trick for every summer road trip. Secret number 7. Got a broken or stuck car window? Secure it with zip ties. This $1 fix can save you up to $300 in costly repairs. A true emergency hack. Secret number 8. Hide those embarrassing dashboard cracks with a dab of shaving cream. Simply buff it off to restore a flawless finish and keep your car looking brand new. Secret number 9. Dropped your key fob in water? Don't panic. Bury it in a bowl of rice overnight. This simple trick can rescue your fob and save you the $200 cost of a replacement. Secret number 10. Tired of scraping off stubborn frost? Spray a mix of vinegar and water on your windshield the night before. Wake up to a clear windshield and skip the icy morning hassle. Bonus tip: use apps like GasBuddy to locate the cheapest fuel near you. This simple trick can save you around $20 every month, adding up to huge savings over time. If these secrets saved you money, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. Next week, I will expose 5 dealership scams you need to avoid. See you in the next one.